Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to monetize TikTok without creator fund. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to monetize your TikTok without even having a creator fund, all you gotta do is simply tap open TikTok and create different kind of videos. Now you can monetize your TikTok without creator fund through affiliate marketing, brand sponsorship, selling your own products via TikTok shop, and offering services like personalized shoutouts, receiving virtual gifts during live, and launching TikTok subscription for exclusive content. You can also earn money and monetize a TikTok account by promoting music with programs like SoundMe. So these methods leverage your audience interest directly, focusing on product sales, brand deals, or direct fan support rather than just video views. So if you're gonna do this, then you don't have to have your TikTok monetized without creators fund. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.